In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your own stickers from this printout sticker sheet that you can give as gifts to your friends and family this holiday season. If you registered to pick up a kit, then you would have already received some sticker cutouts. But if not, you can also access this printable PDF version online, which I linked in the description. There are many different styles to choose from, so feel free to select your favorites to print out for this activity. So along with your sticker printouts, you'll need some parchment paper, some clear packing tape, some double-sided tape if you have some, and some scissors. Double-sided tape isn't necessary, but it helps your stickers hold together better. Now we're going to go ahead and cut out our stickers. I printed out a lot of them and will be making lots of stickers, but of course you can just pick and choose the ones you like depending on how many gifts you're making. Once all of our images are cut out, we can take a piece of parchment paper, and this will act as a sticker sheet for our stickers to stick onto. The next step is to place a piece of packing tape face down on the parchment paper, which is wide enough for the sticker plus a little bit of extra room. And then this is where you can add some double-sided tape just to better hold the sticker together. Then you can just put that down on the piece of tape, and we're going to finish it off by putting another piece of tape on top. And then you repeat that exact same process for all the stickers you're going to make. And once you're done with that, all you have to do is cut the stickers out. And you could cut them out square shape if you like, but I think it's nice to cut around the shape, and you want to leave a little bit of a border, and this will help the stickers stay together. And here's the final product. You can make some for yourself, or gift to friends and family, or even use as cute little stocking stuffers. When they're ready to use, all you have to do is peel off the parchment paper at the back and then place them wherever you'd like. You can even reuse the envelope that the printouts came in from the kits to gift your stickers. I really hope you all enjoyed this craft, and be sure to check out the rest of our videos on the holiday activity playlist. And we wish you all a happy holiday.